Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will solve another quiz which is related to PAMDAS and BODMAS method. It is a very simple quiz, but here some people do mistake and get the wrong answer. So we will solve this quiz using PAMDAS and BODMAS method and get the correct result. Here we have four answers: 100, 1000, 10 and 1. So we have to solve it and find out which answer is correct. So before starting the video, please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn this type of quizzes from my channel. Just we recall that what is PAMDAS and BODMAS. So as you can see on the screen, PAMDAS means basically parenthesis, P for parenthesis, and in BODMAS we have the bracket B for bracket. So it means that if your expression contains any bracket, so you have to solve that part first. After that, you have to solve the exponent and order. So you have to see the power of any number and solve that part after the bracket. After that, you have to solve the division and multiplication. You have to go left to right in your expression and find out same precedence. And if division is coming first in your expression, so you have to solve the division first. And if multiplication is coming, so you have to solve the multiplication first. Similarly, for addition and subtraction, we have the same rule. So we can solve addition first if it is coming first, and we can solve subtraction first if it is coming first. So now let's move towards to solve the given expression. According to the BODMAS and PAMDAS rule, we have to solve the bracket first. So in our expression, we do not have any brackets. So now we will move forward to see the exponent part. So in our expression, we have this part is exponent. So we have to solve this part first according to the rules. So we will write 10 multiplied by 100 because 10 raised to power 2 means 10 multiplied by 10, which is equals to 100. And other things we will write as it is. And here we will give the reference. So we will write 10 raised to power 2 equals to 100. And we will write this part this way. Now, move forward, and now we are using PAMDAS and BODMAS rule. So we will go left to right and see which is coming first. So here we have the multiplication first. Some people say I'm using the BODMAS, so I will solve this part first. And some says I'm using the PAMDAS, so I will solve this one. No, it is not like that. We have to solve left to right. We go. And first we have to see which is coming first. So here we have multiplication. So we will multiply this part. And other things we will write as it is. Again, we will give reference here. So here we will write 10 multiplied by 100 equals to 1000. Now move forward. And again, we have two terms which are dividing each other. So we will write 100 divided by 10 equals to 10. Sorry, 1000 divided by 10 equals to 100. So the answer of the given expression, as you can see, the 1 0 cancel from 1 0, this one. So we will get the answer is 100. The answer of the given expression is 100. So if you see the answer list, so answer A is the correct answer. So I hope you understand like how you can solve this expression very quickly and find out the correct result. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn this type of quizzes from my channel. We will meet in next class. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.